Yes, Captain Ernest.
We have a problem in the space hatch.
Well, listen, I'm going down there then. All right, that's my duty, so...
Let me open the capsule up for you.
All right.
Just boil that.
Man, there is something down there. You can hear it growling.
We might have picked something up upon entry.
Sounds like a cat.
Here's a toolbox that's filled with tools. And Jell-O.
All right, I'm going in. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
All right, I've got my gun, my phaser. Let me see if it works. Well, the bug zapper at least, so that's good. All right, I'll see you later.
All right, good luck.
See ya. Man, it sure is dark in here. Thank you. There's something going on over there.
Oh no, it's a mine monster. Not a mine monster. That's awful. What am I supposed to do with no going thinking monsters? You get my tools.
Good thing they're padded with Jell-O.
Listen, mine monster.
The only thing I can do to combat him is to actually set up my radio and make noise with it. Here, little Britney Spears will combat him.
It's out of battery.
Listen, I don't know what you're trying to tell me, okay? Okay.
Lieutenant, I'm here.
Oh, hey,
I came as quickly as I could.
Thank you
I heard you were trouble. I brought an old-timey shotgun.
Wow! That worked! He's full of birds. Oh, way to go, Captain. Well done.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
Yeah. Listen, I think, well, now that he's back. He's back. Quick, get him in.
I put the silencer on it. Yeah,
That's one for Dad there. Yeah.